So I want to have some mobs, monsters, things that have health bars in my game. So you can do the usual thing. Add a sprite, make it about here, make it look wonderful. Where's my colour thing going on? That will be a no. So just going to make it look a bit like this. Teeth. It's pretty cool. Hair. Now my monsters are going to have health, so I'm just going to put a health bar on here as well. I use this line tool and just do a health bar, nice and simple, straight across the top. And I'll have my hitbox, which will just be, I won't take too much trouble over this, but just around the monster itself. Looks wonderful. Just to make life a little bit more difficult for myself, I'm going to, when I'm shooting the guy, I'm going to give it a behavior. I'm going to make it go up and down using a sign. So that sign, I'm going to make it vertical. Let's just have a quick look at how that is. Yeah, that's pretty good. So back to Construct 2. Double clicking in it. This is the animation. This is the animation frames. We've only got one frame at the beginning, so just going to duplicate this one and then use this rubber tool, and I'm just going to make that health bar a little bit shorter. Done. Duplicate that one and a little bit shorter again. Duplicate that, a little bit shorter again. Duplicate that, and I'm just going to have this teeny tiny bit at the end. There we go. So altogether I've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I've got 5 frames, goes up to number 4, we need to remember that. So, into here, I need a collision event. I need when the, I did call him sprite, that's bad, I should call him something a little better than that. So let's call him a mob, or monster, whatever. Okay. So, I'm going to say when the mob on collision with the bullet, okay, that's when stuff's going to happen. First thing I'm going, other thing I forgot. The mob is going to need a variable to keep track of its health. It's a number. It's going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting at 0 going up just because of those animation frames. We're going to make an instance variable, so if we have multiple monsters they'll all have their own individual health rather than one single global health. So call that health, start at 0. Job's a good one. So where were we? Yes, so on collision with bullet, the mob, I am going to instance variables, subtract from, subtract 1 from its health. Then the cunning bit is that, no, it's not subtract 1, is it? It's add 1. So cancel, sorry, replace action with mob, add 2. Okay, add 1 to health. It's a bit backwards, but we don't see the number, we just see the animation. And that's the thing that I need to do now, is the mob, the animation. I'm going to set the frame, which we're actually seeing, set the frame to being equal to mob dot and then the health. So mob dot health. So as that number goes up 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to set the animation frame. I've been quite forgetful. I've got another thing here. When I did that animation, made these frames down here, I should have said speed 0 just so that it doesn't actually start right at the beginning by just cycling through those, because that looks kind of silly if you do that. And I think, yeah, we'll see what that looks like. Back to here. So let's do some game shooting. Yeah, it seems to be working. Remember, I've got to shoot the blue. Yeah, God, I'm really not very good at this. Yeah, and that's the end. It won't actually do anything from there because we haven't set it to destroy itself. Also, notice the bullets are going right through. That looks pretty rubbish, so let's just fix both of those things. So first action is going to say bullet destroy. That's going to look way better. And then the other thing I need to do is I need to keep the mob checking its own health. So compare instance variable, and I'm going to say is health equal to, and it goes with the ones we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When it gets to 5, we're going to say destroy. So mob destroy. Let's try that again. So the real issue here is I'm really not very good at playing this kind of game. And shoot, dead. Yay! And then I can go back to here and I can create multiple mobs. In fact, I'll put another one down here because I won't be able to shoot those ones up there. Very clever, very well. And each of them has got their own health bar. I can shoot them separately. Seems to work really well. Yeah, be good if they shot back at me, wouldn't it? And that's going to be another video. And we're done.